Welcome Dr. Sandeep Suri on Dil Se Dil Tak Healthy Heart Talk Show. Kindly give your brief introduction along with Patient World Hypertension Day.
Hello friends, I am Dr. Sandeep Suri working as consultant diabetologist and physician at Holy Health Hospital, Hisar, Haryana. Okay, so erratic blood pressure means sometime going up and sometime going down. It is not stable. Usually the circadian rhythm is that. Some in the morning hours, early morning hours, our blood pressure is always on higher side. Coming to the evening hours, most of the time it goes slightly on lower side, and when we sleep, it comes down. And even in between the sleep, there is a normal dipping pattern. But early morning surge of blood pressure is always there. So it's a sort of circadian rhythm which blood pressure follows. But sometimes this rhythm is exaggerated, and there is high surge in blood pressure and there is also dipping in blood pressure. Most of these type of surges are due to anxiety, stress, smoking, taking more of coffees or stimulants or some pressure situations. These are the things which makes blood pressure on higher side and sometimes makes blood pressure even on lower side. So some dehydration is there, exposure to heat is there, or hot summers are there. So and not taking adequate amount of water, then your blood pressure can go down. But overall, it remains in a normal range, in a normal person due to various reflex mechanisms. For that, you have to just understand what is blood pressure. Blood pressure is basically the pressure which is created by the flowing blood when it strikes to your blood vessels or the walls of the blood vessels. And blood flows by virtue of the contractility of heart. You have got two type of contractions. One is systolic, and then when heart relaxes, we call it a diastolic. So there can be systolic blood pressure, there can be diastolic blood pressure. So both of them, that includes blood pressure. Normal person, there are certain cutoff values across the board, across the age. It should not be more than 120 by 80. Then we call it a normal blood pressure. If it is higher than that, maybe it is 130 by 80, we can call it high normal. And if it is above 130 by 130 above, up to 140, you can call it pre-hypertensive or stage 1. Then above 140 by 90, you call it a treatable form of hypertension. On the day of World Hypertension Day, I'm giving a message that the message is very important, that measure blood pressure accurately, live longer and live healthy. Only then you will be able to prevent the onslaught of hypertension. Thank you.